guys, welcome back to Draw with Sid, and today's video is an art vlog. This is the first time I'm trying to vlog, and yeah, when I was cleaning my room and I found some crazy stuff made by me in my childhood. So do you want to know what is that crazy stuff? So keep watching that video and let's start our today's video. Everyone knows about the art shows, like the one which everyone used to watch in their childhood, Mad. Everyone knows it. I think everyone knows it. And the Art Attack, yeah. So these were the two shows I was watching in my childhood, and I made some things by watching those shows, and even some things using my creativity. So yeah, first of all, thank you, Mad, and the Art Attack. So these shows made me creative and unleashed my creativity from my mind in my childhood. So first thing is this. What is this? This is a laptop. This is an handmade laptop. You can see this. So yeah, this is the handmade laptop. You can see this keys and the screen, and not just this, it have this envelope. Okay, so my name is Siddesh, and this have this envelope and my photo. Okay, so I use this photo to keep on this screen, and then just play with it, like the keys and everything. So I know this was the laptop. It was an original laptop my father bought, and then I liked it so much that I thought I should have one in my childhood, maybe in first or second standard, and I made this with the help of my mom. So the second thing is this. What is this? This is an World Cup. I made this in 2012 or maybe 11, when India won the World Cup in 2011. So I made this, and I was actually fan of this World Cup, this structure, or maybe this trophy. So I thought I should make one, and we use this we used to play cricket in the gullies, and then we use this to give them reward, but not for permanent, because it was mine and it is mine always. So yeah. So how I made this? This is just a piece of cardboard, and this is, do you know what it is? Guess it in the comments below what it is. So I will show you what it is. Oh, it's a gems. So you guys know gems come in this ball like this. So it's a gems ball, a golden ball. So I use this as the trophy. So yeah, simple technique, like use cardboards and this gems ball, and colored it. And also I used that if you were a Art Attack show lover, then you would know that there was a Art Attack paste, like the paste made using the paper and glue, the newspaper and the glue. So yeah, I used that Art Attack paste, the magical Art Attack paste, to make this. So it is so simple, attractive. Now moving towards the third thing. Which is the third thing? Okay, so I will show you 4 things which I made in my childhood. So the third thing is this. You can see what is this. This is a guitar, or maybe sitar. Okay, no, it's not a sitar. It's a guitar. I actually have an original guitar. I used to play it years before, not now. So yeah, and before having a original guitar, I made this one. I loved guitar so much, so I thought I should have one or I should make one. So I think I made this. I don't remember actually, but I made this by watching Mad Show. Maybe, yeah, I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, this was a guitar. It's the same process. Like this is a cardboard box, and this is the paper, a newspaper. You can see, and these are the ice cream sticks, and this fancy one. This is made using paper. So it was the third thing I made in my childhood. So moving towards our fourth thing and the last thing, which is a game. Oh really? I made a game in my childhood. Yes, it was a game. It is a game. This board game, you can see, and I also made this game by watching Mad. So yeah, it's easy. I made this using a shoe box and that newspaper and glue paste, and the balls are made using newspaper, and some are the toy balls. So how this game works? So this thing is used to push the ball. This is the ball. You can see. This is the red ball from the Cars movie, the lightning. Okay, so and you have to put a rubber here as a string. So once you pull the rubber, and it will push the ball. Okay, and then this circle contains 100 points. It have 200 points, and this is the finish line. You can see. So thank you guys for watching the video, and these were the arts. Thank you guys for watching the video, and these were the craziest thing, the crazy stuff I made in my childhood. And comment down below if you made one in your childhood, and also send me the pics of the crazy things you have made in your childhood. The Instagram link in the description. And yeah, share the video and subscribe to Draw with Sid, and comment down below how was the video. It was like a art vlog. I tried vlogging for the first time, and tell me, should I make one series of art vlogs or something? So thank you guys for watching the video.